love. 2021 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.